Alyssa, I think we hit something. Yeah, I think so.
No, I think we have a flat tire.
Oh man, that sucks.
Yeah.
How do we fix that?
Let me show you.
Alright.
Come here, let me show you how to do it.
Okay, I'm coming.
Gotta move these cookie boxes.
Yeah, we knew. Oh, okay, I didn't know there was a secret compartment here.
Don't look at that.
Oh, okay.
Right here. Pull it out.
Mm-hmm.
You have your jack. You have your jack and your tools to get it out.
Okay.
Let's take these out. Put them by the flat tire.
Alright.
Now I'm gonna show you where to put the jack. Here, it fits perfectly in that divot.
Mm-hmm.
Now, let's crank it.
Let's crank it.
Very rude.
Are we gonna get the spare now?
Yeah, we are.
Oh, sick.
Now, that was there, spare tire.
Mm-hmm.
Get your lug nut that also goes to the tires.
Yeah.
Right here. And now you crank it.
Perfect.
So now we have the jack in place. Don't put it all the way up because if you do, it's going to keep on spinning. Okay? Now to loosen these lug nuts, there's a little term. Lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, okay? Put it up here, you're just using gravity. If you do the other way, you're just using muscle. Muscle, gravity, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And get this.
Yeah?
Let's make sure we got them all loose.
Alright. Alright, that one's loose, that one's loose, that one's loose. And then...
Loose.
Alright,
Crank
perfect.
it all the way up off the ground.
Okay.
V-tip, do not put any part of your body under the vehicle or anything.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you put those lug nuts in the safe spot. You don't want to lose them.
Mm-hmm.
Now your tire's completely off. Take it off safely.
Yep.
We just unloaded our spare tire. Now we'll pull it out, put it on.
You need to demonstrate that, Alyssa.
Oh, last time I do this, maybe kind of difficult to put the tire on. Get your foot underneath it. Always hand tighten lug nuts first to prevent cross-threading.
Mm-hmm. Got it.
If you don't have a torque wrench with you on the side of the road, make sure you tighten it as tight as you can with the lug nut. Just so you can make it back, so you can make it to the nearest tire shop. Now with the tire on the ground, we can apply the final torque to the lug nuts. Always make sure your lug nuts are tightened to factory pressure. Now let's put everything away so it's ready the next time I run another deer over. Now we have the spare on, we're ready to go back on the road.